Hi sir, my name is Chris Paulilim from BSIT 3B and now this is my midterm exam in social issues. Now I'm going to read, analyze, and answer the question about case of Rappler. So start. And for the case summary of and outcome, the Manila Regional Trial Court, Branch 46 in the Philippines, found Maria Ressa, the executive editor of the online news website Rappler, and the journalist Reynaldo Santos Jr. is guilty of cyber libel. The case was brought following a 2012 Rappler story concerning the business Wilfredo King's ally involvement in human trafficking and drug smuggling, and as well as his link to the Supreme Court Chief Justice Renato Corona. The court convicted Ressa and Santos pursuant to Section 4C4 of the 2012 Cybercrime Prevention Acts, or CPA, and sentenced them to imprisonment of up to 6 years and fine of 200,000 pesos, or approximately 4,000 USD or $4,000. Although the original article was published before the law was passed and 4 years prior to the charges being brought, the court reasoned that the article was republished on February 19, 2014, and when Rappler updated the article to fix the typographical error further, as the CPA does not expressly include a prescriptive period of bring charges, the court found that Republic Act Number 3326 applies, which provides a 12 years prescriptive period. And finally, the court recognized that the importance of the right to freedom of speech under the Philippines Constitution, but found that the defendants failed in their journalistic responsibilities to verify the facts and to publish the requested clarifications or corrections. And considering that the influence of online news organizations, the judge noted that the keyboard is now mightier than the pen, and making cyber libel far more serious than traditional libel. So now, let's answer the question. First, number one, what is the case all about? So, the case is all about the conviction of Maria Ressa, the executive editor of the online news website Rappler, and journalist Santos Jr. for cyber libel, and by the Manila Regional Trial Court, Branch 46 in the Philippines. And question number two, what are the facts of the case? So the facts of the case involves a 2012 Rappler story that ally businessman Wilfredo King's involvements in human trafficking and drug smuggling, as well as his link to the Supreme Court Chief Justice Renato Corona. And the article further claimed that Kang was under investigation for various illegal activities. And for the question number three, what are the issues on the case? The main issues in the case revolved around whether the article constituted cyber libel under the 2012 Cybercrime Prevention Act, considering it was published before the law's enactment, and whether the changes made to the article in 2014 amounted to the republication. And for the question number four, what is the ruling of the Supreme Court? The Manila Regional Trial Court found Maria Ressa and Reynaldo Santos Jr. guilty of cyber libel, sentencing them to imprisonment of up to 6 years and a fine of 200,000 pesos each. The court reasoned that the 2014 edit of the article constituted a publication, and the prescriptive period for the offense was 12 years. And for the last question, what are the takeaways or learnings from this case? Um, One of my takeaways and learnings from this case is This case is the importance of understanding the legal implications of online content and how changes to article can affect liability. It also highlights the delicate balance between freedom of speech and the responsibility of journalists to verify facts and correct errors promptly, and especially in the digital age. And that's all, sir. Thank you for listening.